I, Sumit Singh, Mechanical Engineering Department, Assistant Professor, NGF, CET. Today I am going to discuss about steam condensers, which comes in the part of steam power generation. The subject is steam power generation, and the main topic is steam condenser. So, we should start with definition of condenser. We should know about condensation. What is meant by condensation? If the pressure of the exhaust stream reduces below the atmospheric pressure and hence its energy partially or fully cannot be utilized, then this phenomena is termed as steam condensation. So next slide is our steam condenser. The definition is the heat transfer device in which the exhaust steam of a turbine or an engine is condensed by cooling water, which is below the pressure of atmospheric pressure. Next, condensate. This term is used in this discussion many times. So we should know about condensate. The exhaust steam, the condensed part of the exhaust steam is termed as condensed steam. Next. So there are types of condenser. First one is jet condenser. Second one is surface condenser. Jet condenser, the exhaust steam and cooling water comes in direct contact with each other, or you can say direct condenser. Second one is surface condenser. The cooling water flows in the tubes and exhaust steam passes over the tubes. The steam gets condensed because of the heat transfer with the help of conduction and convection. Next, jet condenser. These are the types of jet condenser. Low level jet condenser, first one is counter flow type, second one is parallel flow type. High level jet condenser and ejector condenser. So this one is our low level counter flow jet injector. There are two types of flow in condensers, parallel flow and counter flow. Counter flow, as you can see in the diagram, the exhaust steam and the cooling water moves in opposite direction to each other. Counter flow. This is our air extraction pump above, which when started, cooling water start from the cooling pond, enters into the condenser shell. This system, condenser shell, the cooling water enters. With the help of this, vacuum is created by air extraction pump that will suck the water to the cooling condenser cell. Then exhaust steam is entered from below the condenser shell. These perforated trays works as helps in intimate mixing of the condenser. Next, second, parallel flow counter. In this case, you can see from the diagram, exhaust steam as well as cooling water traveling in the same direction, that is parallel to each other. So that becomes the low level parallel flow jet condenser. Thank you very much.